Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Today we are going to do English lesson unit number 5, Mr. Han the Fruit Seller, from the book We Learn English, Oxford. Okay, the unit is unit number 5, Mr. Han the Fruit Seller. Okay, let's start the reading. Nasir goes to the market to buy fruit. He goes to Mr. Han's shop. Mr. Han has a big shop with lots of fresh fruit. Nasir buys apples, bananas, plums, oranges, mangoes, peaches, pears, and a melon. Okay, now this is the activity time. So hold your pencils to do this activity. Read the passage given above and then do the following. Underline all the nouns. We already read this passage, so we have to underline all the nouns, and the second one is circle the verbs, and after that we have to circle the verbs. I am just pointing the words which are nouns, and you have to underline those words. First, underline the word, the noun Nasir, and the second one is market. The third one, Mr. Han. After that, underline the fruit names apples, bananas, plums, oranges, mangoes, peaches, pears, and a melon. In the last, after pears, melon. I am repeating it. Nasir, underline the nouns Nasir, market, Mr. Han, apples, bananas, plums, oranges, mangoes, peaches, pears, and melon. Okay, now you have to circle the verbs. The first verb in this passage is buy. Circle this word buy, and the next word, which is verb go, G-O, go. You have to circle this word go. Now come to the next page. In this page we are going to read about the things which are near and far away from us. This is an apple, and put it in that basket. Students, we use this for those things which are near to us, and we use the word that for those things which are far away from us. So we are using here this for apple because this is near to us, and we are using that for the basket because that is far away from us. In the next line, bring that mat here. We are using that for the mat because the mat is also far away from us. Put this ball on the mat. The ball is near to us, so we use the word this. This is a plum and those are pears. Students, this is the we use this and that for the singular things, and we use those and these for the plural things. So you can see that in this sentence, this is a plum. The plum is only one in a singular form. That's why we are using here this, and this is near to us, so we use this. And there are more than one pair, so we are using here those for the pairs. In the next line, these grapes are small, but that melon is big. You can see the grapes are near to us and melon is far away from us. So we are using these for grapes and that for the melon. These apples are for me and those cherries are for you. And these apples are near to us, so we are using here these. And cherries are far away from us, so we are using those. Clear? Okay. What is singular and plural? Singular is one thing, and when we have more than one things, that is called plural. Here if we have one apple, we just say apple and it is a singular. And if we have more than one apples like this, we call it apples. We read it like this, apples. We add s to make the apple plural. In this chart you can see we are adding s to make the singular things plural. Shoe, shoes. Ball, balls. Car, cars. Clock, clocks. Spoon, spoons. Cup, cups. You can see in all these things we just add the letter s to make the singular to plural. Okay students, now it's the exercise work of page number 42. In this page, the first question is complete the table. You have to do this work on the book. Okay? Here are some words which are singular and plural. Which are singular words, we have to make them in plural, and which are plural words, we have to make them singular. Okay, the first word is melon. We add just s with the melon to make it plural. So you have to write like this, melons, MELONS, melons. The second is apples. Apples is plural. Apples is a form of plural. So we have to write the singular form. We write here apple, APPLE, apple. The next word is singular word banana, and we add s to make it plural, bananas. The next word pears is given to us, and we write here pear. Orange. Add s to write the plural form of orange. Oranges. Okay, the next, fill in the blanks. The next question number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the bracket. The words are given to us in bracket. We have to fill in the blanks with the help of these words. Number 1 is dash bat is smaller than that bat. The bat is singular, so we will use here this. We will use here this. This bat is smaller than that bat. These boys want dash bags. These boys want dash bags. This sentence is in plural form, so we will choose the word those. Those bags. Number 3, dash eggs are white. Eggs. So we will use here these. These eggs are white. Dash kite is very big. That kite is very big. Dash is my bag. This is my bag. Now come to the question number C. Make sentences with these words, the words which are given to us: this, that, those and these. So you have to write these sentences on your book, page number 42. Write the first sentence of the word this. This is a bag. Right here. This is a banana. The first sentence is this is a banana. And the second one is that. That is a bag. Number 3, those. Those are bananas. And the number 4 is these. These are bags. Okay, now take out your copies and write these words and meanings and question answers on the copy. The first word is big. The first word is big. And the meaning of the big is large. And the meaning of the big is large. The second word, buckle. And the meaning of the buckle is clip. The next word is pick. And the meaning of pick is choose. Now write the question answers. The first question is, where does Nasir go? Nasir goes to the market. Nasir goes to the market. Who has big shop? The answer is Mr. Han has a big shop. Mr. Han has a big shop. Okay students, the work of unit number 5 has been done now. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.